Hi, this is Dominica from Kinesphere Center for Movement Education in Phoenix. I thought I'd share with you a nice stretch I've been doing with my clients using the foam roller as a prop to support the spine as we work on some neuroglides for the lumbar plexus and the legs. So seated on a chair or stool, you're going to bring your legs into parallel, extend one leg forward and dorsiflex your ankle. Have the foam roller at about the same place as your foot. Place your hands on top, push down against the roller, and then tip it forward as you move your spine, keeping your knee as fully extended as you can, and you should feel a nice long stretch through the back of the pelvis, and then come up. Yeah, you can do the same thing, other leg forward, rocking the pelvis, taking the spine long and supporting the body with the roller, keeping the chest up and the gaze out. And then try it with one ankle crossed over your knee. Hinge forward, try to feel both sit bones staying level on the stool and coming up. And try that on the other side. Forward and reach and extend the spine. You can let the neck relax and the gaze soften down. And come back up. So I hope you find those useful. As always, send me comments or questions, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.